In this video, I'll show you how to enable mouse cursor in Asus Laptop. If your mouse pointer is not visible anywhere on the screen and your touchpad isn't working, don't worry. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Mouse Settings. Press Enter to open it. Now press Tab until you reach Additional Mouse Settings, then press Enter. In the Mouse Properties window, use the Ctrl plus Tab keys to move to the Pointer Options tab. Press Tab until you reach Show Location of Pointer when I press the Control key. Press the spacebar to enable it. Then press Tab until the Apply button is selected, and press Enter. After that, press the Control key on your keyboard. If the cursor is present on the screen, Windows will highlight its location, making it easy to find. That's it. This is how you can enable a missing mouse cursor on an Asus laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.